From the manufacturers of ExtraSeal tire repair and wheel service products comes the X-Lite, the first essential lighting tool for safe and efficient tire service. Quickly and easily clamp the X-Lite onto the bead of the tire and bend the 12-inch adjustable spring tube for hands-free lighting. The X-Lite is convenient to use and works on all passenger, light truck, and most commercial truck tires. For the first time ever, you can have total hands-free lighting assistance to help you complete a more efficient, effective, and safe tire repair service for your customers. But the X-Lite isn't simply a tire service light. Put it to work in all sorts of vehicle and under-the-hood jobs. The X-Lite also features multiple high-powered magnets for additional applications.